to hit that like button, everyone. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and also enable those notifications. This video is sponsored by MEI Travel. Feel free to reach out to me at cruisingwithjt@gmail.com and I'll get you connected to my travel agent at MEI Travel. She'll take great care of you, and I'll also include the information in the description below. Thank you so much. Got a gentleman doing some testing here of the AquaDome. How cool is this, guys? Again, you got a technician testing some things out. It's awesome. So cool. And here we go. Gonna start it again, I think, soon. And I'm like the only guy here enjoying these shows. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Those lights up there, that's awesome. They're doing some testing right now, just for the shows. You got a technician right there who's, you see that gentleman right there with the hat, right in the middle. He's doing some testing. It's pretty cool. There you go. There's something going on here. Alright, it's pretty cool, guys. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and appreciate your support. They're like, he's doing stuff, but it's like kind of inconsistent. It's like I see like these little cool fountain splashes and stuff, but it was cool earlier. That was awesome. He was doing cool stuff. But yeah, I love these kind of practicing the water fountain shows and everything. Is pretty awesome. So I love it. I love coming here like there's like no one here. It's just me and the tech guy. Look at that, it's awesome. Alright guys, I think that's good for now. Just be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And a special shout out to all my Patreon and YouTube members. Thank you so much for your additional support. If you'd like to become a Patreon or YouTube member, I'll include the links in the description below. It's basically a behind the scenes view of cruising with JT and special access to various benefits and perks and inside information into my upcoming videos. So if you do decide to join, I truly appreciate your support.